What's up everyone, it's this guy, and I'm coming back today with another auto maintenance video, and today we'll be changing the air filter, the engine air filter, on my sister-in-law's 2015 Toyota Sienna.
So normally I transition to a shot like this where I show you like all the years that are applicable to this particular video. But the problem is that Toyota has 3 different configurations from what I can see as the type of air filters that they use. This video is for the Toyota Siennas between 2006 and 2016 that have a filter that has a cartridge that looks like this. If you're not sure, take a look under the hood.
So the filter that my sister-in-law brought me was from O'Reilly, and it's the MicroGuard. It's the MGA 49430. They'll be different if you go to AutoZone. You can get an STP filter. The number will be different, but they can tell you which one you need. And it's a lot cheaper to do this yourself versus having a mechanic do it for you.
So the first thing we're going to do is we need to pop the hood. And if you look to the bottom left of the driver's side on the dashboard, there's a hood release right here. Just go ahead and pop that. And when you do that, it'll cause the hood to release.
Now it won't lift up yet because there's actually a catch here that prevents it from flying open on the freeway if you accidentally hit that.
There's a lever, and if you lift it up like this, it'll allow you to release the hood.
So now you just simply lift up on the hood.
While holding the hood open, there's a rod here that we need to take out.
So you're basically just going to unhook it. And you see this opening here? You're just going to insert it in there. So now we have access to the inside of the engine bay, and the air filter actually goes in this housing right here. So to get inside, you're just going to pop these clips here. And what that's going to do is it's going to go ahead and allow you to separate and pull out the old air filter. I also want to let you know that I absolutely love this design. The fact that this comes out as a cartridge makes it so much easier to do this. So you just basically lift off the old air filter. Another step I encourage you to do before you try to put this thing in is to verify that you have the correct filter. And the way that I do that is I like to lay them on top of one another, just to make sure that they're the same size. Once we verified we got the correct filter, you're just going to take your new filter and you're going to put it inside the housing of the old filter. Just like that. It only goes in one way. If you try to put it in like this, it ain't going to fit. So, no brainer. Okay, now that we have it, we're just going to slide it right back in. Just like this. Okay, clips go back on. And just like that, you just changed your engine air filter and you saved yourself a lot of money. Thanks for watching.